Yeah. So it's like a bucket full. So I don't have to buy potatoes. Remember my potato patch over there that I showed you earlier? That is my, those are purple potatoes. And that's what they look like right here. See, right there. So these are the purple potatoes. And when it's wet, so this is what it looks like when it's wet. See, it's purple. These are the potatoes right here. And I'm going to show you when I cut it, they're really, really good potatoes. And I love this one better than any other potatoes. Mas masarap ito. Yes, this is better than the any other potatoes I have. So I'm going to cut it for you. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. Do you have a knife? See how I'm going to cut this. Hold on.
Knife in the kitchen.
I bet it tastes like potatoes, really. So here it is right here. See? Look at that. Isn't that purple? That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like inside. And it's really, really good. When you cook this, when you cook this, guys, it looks like sweet potatoes. Yung nagbibiak siya dito, tapos nag-open yung skin when you cook it. Kinagat ko. Nagaling kik sa ipin. So anyway, ayan, see? There it is. So that's what it looks like. And it's really, 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 really rich and it's really good. So I like this one better than the white potatoes. See the skin? It's that, but see, that's really cool. It's supposed to be really healthy. Anything that's purple are healthy. Purple carrots, eggplant, potatoes. What else? Beets. Those are healthy food. They're very healthy food. All the purple stuff. All the that's what I heard. That's what I was reading, I was reading in Google. Anything that's purple is good. I don't know if you guys ate yes, it's violet. Violet. If you I don't know if you guys purple I can't remember the name. Something about purple, but anyway, that's what it looks like right here. So sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, eggplant, purple carrots, beets, or red, they're supposed to be really, really good for you. That's why I don't buy white potatoes. I hardly buy white potatoes anymore because I have a whole bunch of them in my garden. This one they grow all over my garden. But anyway, that's what that is. That's what it looks like. And it can go really big. This one is not the big, but I don't want really big. I don't want the big one. I just want little. See, I just dig him out. I haven't washed it yet. And I can keep mine in the garden. I can keep it. They can go really big. They can go 3 times as big as this one. But I don't want it to grow big. I just want it little. Because either way, you have to cut it anyway. I will start buying purple. Yes, you see carrots and purple of this. See, there's purple cabbage also. Supposed to be really good for you. Yeah, it's really cool. So now I'm gonna have to cook this one. Sometimes I cook this, just this one, and that's all I eat. Just this one. I pretend like it's sweet potatoes. I eat it just like sweet potatoes, That's why I plant them. They're really easy to grow. They're just like regular potatoes. They're very, very easy to grow. This one right here, I can save this and plant it next year. It will grow. Right here, I can bury it next year and it will grow. My potato garden over there, I can leave all the potatoes in there until whenever I need it, I just go out there and dig them. I don't have to dig all of them out. I just want to leave it there. So whenever I need it, I just go over there and dig them. It doesn't rot. It will regrow next